Hello and welcome to the Online Summit. I'm really glad that you are here. The days are fleeting past, and before we know it, we'll be there with the 18 plus speakers in 20 plus sessions, teaching you about how to start an online business and inspiring you to take action to grow your business if you already have one. Now, if you are looking to start a new business and you want to get freedom, location independence, and have a laptop lifestyle, then you are in the right place. So do book below and put your name and email address in the box, and we will send you an email to confirm your spot has been booked, and check your email for any other notifications. Also, when you go through, please do join the attendee only Facebook group, where we'll be having some other events and goodies in there as well. All right, so I look forward to seeing you at the Online Summit very, very soon. Take care, and to your health, wealth, and success. Bye for now.